if else part, because in my previous session I have covered ngIf, but we did not cover the else part. And then we need to be covered this @if, when to use and why it is required. So that we will discuss today. So I have mentioned some example yesterday, right? So based on the like button click, we are validating if else conditions, right? So if conditions only, right? So we'll discuss about like else part, like how we can check the else part also there. And then we will see like what is the versions required for ngIf and what is the version is required for @if. So if you see here, right, Angular 17, I have mentioned I have mentioned like Angular 2 to 16, the day 13 which I have created, it will cover. And if you are using above version, right, Angular 17 plus, then definitely we can utilize this @if, and it will work fine for us. Okay, so I have utilizing existing code which I have yesterday I have created date 13/1. So there only I am extending this code. So if you see, yesterday we already covered this, and today I have created like else part, which is like I'm writing one if else conditions, and based on that I'm going to be show the message. So if you see here, right, it is checking the if conditions, and then we have the else no not logged. So we are passing this ng template, and then we are passing this template is the else part, which is we need to be checked. And then day 14's I need to be so this like Angular 17 plus new syntax, right? So we are utilizing Angular 20, right? So it will work fine for us because we are in the latest version. So I have written @if is logged in, I am checking it. It is the simple example. And the second one which I am checking like else part, like if and if is it is true, then it could be like welcome back user. If it is false, then please log in first. So it will come like that. Okay, so so I'm running this first, and then see like our code is working fine or not. We need to open the CMD and focus on the drive where our project is there. So we have in the F drive. In the F drive, we have a CD. Angular 20 is the folder, and inside the Angular 20 we have the CD. Day 13 is our project. Ng serve is the command. So once we will hit, it will going to be run our project. It is building fast. It will check all the dependencies, is whatever required for this application, and then it will going to be launch the default port URL, which we need to be copy and paste inside your browser, and we'll check the functionality. So this is the one which we need to copy, and open your browser, and inside the browser we can type and click on enter. So you will be able to see the day 13. We already seen this toggle login, right? So it is working fine. And this the one which you are getting, please logged in first. Okay, so this is coming based on our this conditions, because it is false, right? So if you see in the TypeScript, it is false. So based on this condition, it is coming correctly there. And then we have this Angular 14. We have written the if conditions. Then if you see here, it is coming fine. Please logged in first. It is coming fine. And then we have this if and else part, which is like based on the condition it is coming. So if you go and if you and if you make some changes in the ts, like if it is true, then we have to see like how it is going to be reflect. I have kept true, and then it is going, see, welcome back user, it is coming, and welcome back user, it is coming, welcome back user is coming. So it is working as expected. Thank you very much for watching this, and please subscribe my channel if you like my videos, and we'll discuss more depth topics in upcoming sessions. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.